Changing custom order statuses from your WordPress dashboard is now easier than ever with FlexOrder. To get started, go to the plugins section in your WordPress dashboard, click on Add New, and search for FlexOrder. Install and activate the plugin. To unlock the custom order status feature, make sure you've activated the ultimate version of FlexOrder. Once that's done, navigate to FlexOrder settings and look for the Sync Custom Order Status option. Turn on the toggle and click Save Changes to enable syncing custom order statuses with your Google Sheet. Now, head over to your WooCommerce dashboard and open the Orders section. Select any order and change its status according to your needs. Then open the Google Sheet connected to FlexOrder. You'll see the updated status appear there automatically. You can also update the status directly from the Google Sheet. Just find the order, change the status using the available options, and the update will sync back to your WooCommerce store without any extra steps. It's that simple.